Absolutely massive news today on the pipeline EDS front. Take a look here. If we run the web app, thank you to our summer intern, Renisha Lomax. There is a new button that's going to make a big difference in the lives of many. That button is the Download Excel button. So just so that we can have a little more data in there, let me just chuck in a couple points. So these are IDCS values. Boop, boop. All right, we'll get 3 columns of data. Download Excel. Generating Excel sheet, please wait. Oh, beautiful. Oh, that's incredible. You know what this means? Not only can our analysts and the managers and the people who run the plant quickly get their data on their phones and wherever else in a way that they can analyze it in Excel in a format they're comfortable with, but additionally, anyone who's using Pandas, any Python folks out there who want to handle their Emerson Ovation EDS data in Pandas, now we have XLSX as an intermediate data format, so they don't have to worry about the API calls, they just get to enjoy XLSX. Nice one, Nisha. All right, let's close out the web app. And the other thing Nisha did, in true Memphis wastewater fashion, we have a CLI. You don't need to use the web app. So we've got the trend command, which does what we just did in the web app. And now, thanks to Nisha, we have the XL flag. So to do the exact same thing I just did, M100FI, boom, Excel. All right. Oh wait, hold on. Let me run that with, oh, it worked. I was gonna run it with debug, but I don't even need to cancel. Let's just run it with debug for kicks. And we'll get 2 different files. They should have differing timestamps. Nice. Oh, and in that case, we got the plot. Great. And there's the file of the plot. Go ahead and take a gander at that. Termux dash open. Paste. Oh, it's gonna fail because there's a weird space for my copy. Nice. We're saved. Thank you, summer intern.